In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the bootloader on a CMF Phone 2 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do in order to enter the bootloader is turn off the phone. So we're gonna shut it down, press power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu and choose power off. Wait for the phone to completely turn off, and after that press and hold the power button and volume up button. And hold it for a couple of seconds until you see the bootloader. There we go. And this is how the bootloader looks like. Over here we navigate in the bootloader by using volume up only. So use volume up in order to choose a different option. And you can confirm your choice by pressing volume down. And in order to exit the bootloader, we need to simply choose this option, normal mode, and press volume down. Once you press volume down, the phone shortly after that, I believe, should restart. There we go. And let's see if it turns back on. If it doesn't turn back on, you should be able to just press and hold the power button. There we go. We don't have to do that. I didn't have to press the power button. So this is how it looks like. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.